So hello guys, this will be an unboxing of the MGC 2x2. I have already opened the box. Actually, I unboxed this on camera once before, but I found the recording to be kind of awkward, so I decided to re-record this. So obviously this cube is very fast. And yes, very fast. It has a very good corner cutting, 45, pretty effortless. Bit more than 45. Wait. Yeah, very nice. And reverse is also very good. Effortless. Yeah, basically effortless reverse corner cutting. I get way better times on this than on the Yushin Little Magic, because this is way faster, and the Yushin is pretty slow compared to this. And well, so yeah, and well, these are my two other cubes. So this is the Yushin. It's pretty slow. Yeah, it's pretty slow compared to this. And obviously, this is the V cube, so that horrifying corner cutting. Yeah. Okay. Let's not talk about that. Let's just leave it right there. Pretend that doesn't exist. So anyways, it feels very fast, and I would definitely recommend it for someone that likes fast cubes, because obviously this is very fast, sometimes uncontrollable, but I did not lube it with anything. It just has factory lube, and I think it's pretty good speed out of the box. And yeah. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, even though you can't, because, well, I don't know how to turn off comments. Just kidding. I don't know how to turn on comments because I'm stupid. Anyways, that'll probably happen pretty soon, but you'll have to wait. Anyways, peace out and goodbye.